In the fast-paced world of fashion, speed is everything. Yet, outdated processes and manual workflows are slowing down production. How can the apparel industry keep up with the demand for faster market entry? Enter cloud-based PLM and ERP systems, the game changers of the digital era. These tools streamline operations, ensuring that ideas swiftly transform into market-ready garments. Let's explore how they revolutionize the industry. PLM, or Product Lifecycle Management, connects every step from design to production on a single platform. This integration fosters real-time collaboration, reducing miscommunication and minimizing errors. With instant updates, everyone stays on the same page, enhancing efficiency. Designers, merchandisers, and production teams work seamlessly, ensuring a smooth transition from concept to creation. ERP, or Enterprise Resource Planning, manages inventory, orders, and production tracking effortlessly. Data-driven operations lead to better resource planning and informed decision-making. Cloud-based access ensures information is available anytime, anywhere. Whether on the shop floor or working remotely, teams have the tools they need to succeed. The future of apparel manufacturing is digital, agile, and connected. Faster sample development and shorter lead times are now achievable, improving productivity and resource planning.
In the apparel industry, PLM systems are key to faster, smarter product development. Two of the most trusted platforms. Centric PLM, used by brands like Guess, Under Armour, ASICS, and Bestseller, helps streamline design, boost speed to market, and improve collaboration. PTC Flex PLM, trusted by Nike, Adidas, Lululemon, and Macy's, offers unmatched scalability, 3D design integration, and strong compliance tools. PLM is no longer optional in a set. It's how top brands stay competitive. In today's apparel industry, efficiency is everything, and ERP systems make it possible. Two popular ERP systems in the apparel sector: SAP Apparel and footwear solution SAP AFS, used by global giants like Adidas, Levi's, and Hugo Boss to manage complex operations, supply chains, and global sourcing with real-time data. Infor Cloud Suite Fashion, trusted by brands like Puma and Lacoste, offering end-to-end visibility, faster order processing, and smarter inventory management. With ERP, factories gain full control, improve speed, and deliver consistent quality, from raw materials to finished garments.
Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. You can also visit our website for professional updates.